All right. Hello and welcome, students. Myself, Kumar Saurabh. Today, again, I'm present in front of you with yet another passage of critical reasoning. You already know what we are going to do today. First of all, we are going to analyze the passage. We are going to understand the meaning of it, the summary of it, crux of it. And of course, in the later part of the video, we are going to solve the questions which are there. There is a set of 5 questions which we'll be going to solving together. Okay, so let's start without wasting any more time. Attractive people are not like the rest of us. Yes, but attractive people are like me. Yeah, that is for sure. Attractive people are not like the rest of us. By nature of their good looks, people treat them differently. Yes. तो ये differentiating factor है people who are attractive and people who are not attractive. Those who are attractive, by the nature of their good looks, they are treated differently by other people. And according to decades of psychology research, that can shape many facets of their lives, from their jobs to their personalities to how they see the world. अब बात तो यही है कि सोशल मीडिया कंजम्पशन तो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग करते होंगे. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आपके दिमाग में भी होगा as to how people who are attractive, they are treated differently, and that is the reason why they turn out to be different people. उनका माइंडसेट डिफरेंट होता है, वो काम डिफरेंट करते हैं, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज डिफरेंट मिलती है, उनकी पर्सनालिटी डिफरेंट होती है. ओके, फर्स्ट it might be helpful to define what attractive even means. So first of all, we are going to define it in terms of how the author feels. There are a few things that are universally associated with attractiveness, such as facial symmetry, facial shape, clear skin, because they may have evolved as shorthand for the health of a potential mate. तो ये सारे फीचर्स जो हैं, these features are basically associated, and those people who are considered to be good looking, they are judged on these categories, on these criteria. Average looking faces are also usually considered more attractive. Studies show attractiveness doesn't rest on the ability to see beauty but to detect flaw. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बोली गई है यहाँ पे. आप ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो इस चीज को कि अट्रैक्टिवनेस जो है ना, वो एबिलिटी टू सी ब्यूटी नहीं होता है. खूबसूरती आप देख पाओ, दैट डज नॉट डिफाइन अट्रैक्टिवनेस. आपको कोई फ्लॉ ना मिले, आपको कोई त्रुटि ना मिले, आपको कोई गड़बड़ ना मिले, तो वो ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव होता है. The fewer the flaws, the more attractive someone appears to be, says Christine Donnelly, a doctoral student in experimental psychology at the University of California, San Diego. Other elements of attractiveness such as body shape, weight and skin color can also be subjective and influenced by culture. तो बाकी सारी चीजें जो हैं, shape, size, color, tone, ये सारी चीजें, these differ from culture to culture. There are less physical things that can make a person seem attractive too, like a person's confidence, smell, voice. ये सारी चीजें भी एक इंसान को अट्रैक्टिव बनाती हैं. Researchers have been looking into the effects of attractiveness for decades. The results show that being considered attractive generally means that other people treat you better. एक यार्डस्टिक आपको मिल गया. अगर आपको लोग अगर लोग आपको बेटर ट्रीट करते हैं, then in all probability you are more attractive than most of them. We assume attractive people have positive qualities that have nothing to do with their physical attractiveness, says Lauren Human, an assistant professor of psychology at McGill University. This is sometimes called the halo effect. Halo effect क्या है? Again, we assume attractive people have positive qualities that have nothing to do with their physical attractiveness. कोई अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है या अच्छा दिखता है, तो आप उसके बारे में पॉजिटिव चीजें सोचते हो, और आपको लगता है कि वो पॉजिटिव चीजें ही करता होगा, अच्छी चीजें करता होगा. दैट इज हेलो इफेक्ट. Attractive people are generally assumed to be more intelligent, more trustworthy, and have better social skills. We find them more interesting and pay more attention to attractive people. So we tend to get a better sense of who they are as individuals. उसी का substantiation है ये. Good looking people are more successful, they are paid more at work and are promoted more quickly. They are often happier too. Even parents treat cute babies better than the ugly ones. It is ironical, but we'll have to agree with what the author is saying. The author is saying that babies who are cute are treated better by their own parents when we compare it with those babies who are ugly. All right. Can't really say a lot about that, but it is what it is. It is not the unattractive people are viewed more negatively. Human says they just aren't viewed as positively as their prettier counterparts. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो लोग अट्रैक्टिव नहीं है उनको नेगेटिवली ट्रीट किया जाता है, बट जो अट्रैक्टिव हैं उनको ज्यादा अच्छे से ट्रीट करते हैं. बस ये कहना है. So this was all about the passage that we had. First question. Which of the following is an example of the halo effect? Halo effect का example क्या है? All of the above यहाँ पे होने वाला है. A, B, C, all of the options are correct. Go through the options and you will see that all of these options make sense. Next question. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? The right answer here is going to be A. If you are an attractive person going through the world, everyone is opening doors for you. Easily understandable based on the facts that we saw, based on the evidences we saw in the passage. Next question. Which of the following behaviors is unlikely of people based on what the author describes? The right answer here is going to be B. People often reflect, what assumptions have I made based on the person's looks? It is unlikely behavior as mentioned in the passage by the author. Next question. Which of the following best represents the main point of the given passage? Main point, primary conclusion. Let's go. The right answer is C. Beauty has a lot of positive things that come along with it. यही तो बात है ना. ब्यूटी है, अट्रैक्टिवनेस है, उसके साथ बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जो अटैच्ड हैं, आपको पता हो चाहे ना हो. इसी पे फोकस करने की कोशिश ऑथर ने करी है इस पैसेज में. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस पैसेज. Which of the following is an assumption on which the passage is based? Assumption बताना है. Very easy. The right answer is going to be we are all beautiful. No. B. Beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. No. C. Good looking people have to work extra hard to be taken seriously. Absolutely no. Right answer is D. Everyone is not equally attractive. This is the main assumption of the passage that you just saw. It can be treated as an unstated premise based on which the author was able to write whatever he wrote or she wrote. Alright, so this marks the end of this passage and the explanation of all the questions, all the points in the passage at the same time. So I'll conclude for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep on watching all the other videos which we regularly post on our YouTube channel of CLAT Gurukul. I'll see you next time. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you.